Have you ever wondered how to make sense of complex data? How to transform numbers and statistics into meaningful insights? Welcome to the world of Power BI, a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft that allows you to visualize and share insights from your data. As you delve into Power BI, the first thing you encounter is the Home tab. This is your command center, your starting point. Here, you have access to recent files, you can create new reports, and connect to a variety of data sources. It's like a launch pad, setting you up for your journey into data. Moving on, you'll stumble upon the Get Data option. This is where Power BI truly shines. Click on Get Data, and you open a portal to a universe of information. Power BI supports a vast range of data sources, from Excel spreadsheets to databases, and from online services to real-time streaming data. It's like having a key that can unlock any door in the house of data. But connecting to data is just the first step. What you do with that data is where the magic happens. Power BI allows you to create interactive reports, transforming raw data into visual stories. With a few clicks, you can build charts, graphs, and maps that make the data come alive. You are also equipped with powerful analytical tools. With Power BI, you can slice and dice data in any number of ways, allowing you to ask and answer complex questions. And if you're not sure where to start, Power BI offers AI-powered insights, guiding you towards interesting patterns and trends in your data. Then there's the Share feature. With Power BI, insights are not kept in isolation. You can share your reports and dashboards with others, fostering a culture of data-driven decision-making. Finally, Power BI's Power Q&A feature is like your personal data assistant. You ask a question, and Power Q&A searches your data to find the answer. It's a powerful tool that makes data exploration as easy as typing a search into Google. In summary, Power BI is a powerful tool that allows you to connect to data, create interactive reports, analyze data, share insights, and ask questions of your data. It's a tool that transforms numbers and statistics into meaningful insights, making sense of the complex world of data. So whether you're a business analyst, a data professional, or someone who's just interested in exploring data, Power BI has something to offer. It's a bridge between the world of data and the world of decision-making, a tool that makes data not just accessible but truly insightful.